Hello everyone. Welcome to another session of the QA Dude. So here I'm going to show you how to test a REST-based application. And before going to show you how to test, I wanted to show you what is a REST-based application. So as many of us we know, REST is actually an architectural style. So REST stands for Representational State Transfer, and it is implemented using HTTP protocol. So it is better to have some kind of basic knowledge about HTTP protocol, because in this video I'm not including those. If you guys want, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video for that. So going back to REST, so it includes basically four operations which are famously known as CRUD operation. CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. So in case of REST, those are known as get, put, post, and delete. So get is just like reading something, getting some values. Post is for creating something. Put is for updating something, and delete is to just delete some resource. So how to test a REST-based application? So we can use different tools available today, and most famous one is called Postman. So Postman is nothing but a simple software. You can just Google it and download it and just install it. It's very simple and straightforward. Other than that, you can use Mozilla's add-on also. I can just show you. So here, if you go to Mozilla, you can search with REST client for Firefox. It will give you a few. The first option would be you would be clicking, and if you go here, you can see add to Firefox option, and you can just click it. It will appear in your browser, just like here. So other than that, you can use Postman, which is not very famous. So this is the Postman UI. And as you can see, there is one section where you can put your URL, and the other section shows what operations you want to perform. So for now, I'm going to show you the get operation, how you use it and how to test it. So keep in mind, while testing any REST-based application, you first check the basic CRUD operations, whether those are working or not. After that only you go for complex ones. I'll just show you what kinds of scenarios you can check. And here I'm showing the basic CRUD operation. So this is my URL, and I'm doing a get here. You have to click send, and as this is an HTTP call, so what is happening here, you are sending a request to the server, and server is giving you a response. So this request is a get request. You wanted to read something, so the response would be if you check here, it's an HTML response, and you can set the type of response here, JSON or something else. In this case, it's sending you HTML response, and the status is 200 OK, means it's successful. So there's nothing wrong with the URL, or there's nothing wrong with your operation. So similarly, you can try a post in some URL. So in this case, I'm using URL, this one, and I'm sending a post. So here also the status is 200 OK, and a different format. In a different format, it's giving me a response which is JSON. So suppose you change the URL here and do a post. So see, this time you are getting a 404 not found. So this can be So this can be your negative test, and similarly you can try the other CRUD operations as well. So these are the basic ones. Once we are fine with all these basic operations, we can go for the next step. So what is the next step? So see, as these are HTTP operations at the back end, so you can try creating one resource with a post operation. You can try to create multiple resources with a post, and similarly for delete also you can try deleting one resource and deleting multiple. Again, with one product ID you can try to get some resources, and you can try to get some resource list of resources using multiple IDs, something like that you can try. The most interesting part is while doing an update operation, because there it's seen that you can face many bugs or defects while doing an update operation. So this is why you need to be a bit cautious and interesting also. So what you can do basically, you can try updating some resources. Once it shows it's okay, 200 okay, you can try getting the value of the same resource. So you should get the updated values, so something like that. Or you can delete some resources, and just after that you can try to update the same one. So in this case you should get some kind of error or some kind of message that shows that resource is not available there. So these are some ways to test. Other than that, you can try some unsupported methods for that applications. This means you can try other than get, post, put, and delete. You can give some wrong content types. So for that, if you go to Postman, you can set some content types as well. You can set different kind of headers. So here key value pairs you have to give and try to send a request. So similarly in body part also, while doing a post operation, you can set some values. Suppose in this case I'm setting a URL equal to aaa.com. Similarly you can try with different things. Other than that, for security checkings, if you go to authorization part, there are different kinds of authorization. You can try all the combinations with your application. So these are some options to test your REST-based applications. Hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, subscribe, and let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you.